Hi guys, this is Sheldon. Today is the 20th of March 2021 and right now it's lunchtime. I'm planning to fry my eggs on this sandwich press of mine. I've just put in some oil and I was preheating it. It's almost heated. Yeah, it is heated. So what I'm doing right now is just spreading the oil on the sandwich press, and then I'll crack open 4 eggs and I'm going to have that with bread. Hope you'll enjoy the video. At the same time, in another video, you will also able to see a time lapse of me frying the eggs. So probably if you like time lapses, you all can surely go and check that video. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Leave some comments down, leave some love, let me know how I can improve, what more you all would like to see, and yes, that's how I can keep you all happy and entertained. So let's start frying the egg. This is the first egg. Don't want to waste any of the egg white because it has a lot of protein. First egg's done. That's the second one. Third one. And the fourth egg. Use a little bit of salt. I'm not going to use much because I don't have much salty food, and at the same time trying to be a little bit healthy. Not that I'm a health freak or something as such, but then yeah, trying to take care of my health. And now some pepper. I love pepper on my eggs. How do you all guys like it? Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if you all like your eggs half fried or maybe fried on both sides, because many of my friends, they have let me know that they like eggs fried on both sides. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just bringing the top part of the sandwich press and getting it just slightly over the egg yolks, so that the egg yolks just get the heat from the bottom as well as from the top. I'll do it just for a couple of seconds and that should be fine, I guess. So let's see, maybe another minute or two and should be done with my eggs. At the same time, guys, let me know how many eggs do you all have in a day. I usually used to have 2 eggs, and right now it's 4 eggs because I'm just trying to cut on carbs. So I'm going to have eggs and bread right now. In the evening I would be having a can of sardine in tomato sauce. So that's how I'm just trying to have a very low carb diet. Of course bread has carbs, but then I need to have something with the eggs. So that's the reason. Let's see if it's good. Wow, it's good. I'll just keep it for some more time in the toaster. Whoa. Pushing those eggs ahead towards the joint because that's where the most of the heat is. By the way, guys, this sandwich press or the toaster, it's not exactly a toaster, it's a sandwich press. I got it from Kmart in January 2020 for around $25, and it was quite good because this is a bigger size. You even get a smaller size sandwich press for around $15, I guess it was 15. I can't quite recollect, but then yeah, all good, and it doesn't really take much of my time. It's always helped me. Other than eggs, I toasted my bread on the sandwich press. I fried my bacon, my ham, and okay guys, can you all see this? I think the camera is not catching it, but then the yolk just happened to touch the top part. Never mind, I've got to clean it anyway. So yes, apart from that, I've also bought like a lot of frozen items like frozen potato wedges, potato chips, etc. Beef cutlets, sausages, and it's been all good for me just on this sandwich press. So it's been really nice. It's versatile, quite practical for me, and everything's been quite good. So I really enjoy it. And I really don't need to, switch on a stove or gas and go about with the hassles. This is really good, and it's easy to clean as well. So that's about it. 4 fried eggs, and I'm going to have it with bread. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you all very soon in my next video.